I think that should be on and on. Okay. I just needed to disconnect for a second. I wanted to change the name. Trading recap, day 75. Right, just a quick one a bit earlier because the market is not closed yet, and I've decided to do this early because I don't see anything. Basically, it's been a bad day, another red day. Rushed into things. Uh, Let me just show you what it's been because my computer is playing up a little bit lately. It's just super slow sometimes. I don't know what's going on. The CPU is not being used up. It's like at 10-15%, and it's still and it everything freezes and moves like reacts so slowly. So it's very annoying. So JCS shifts or whatever CHFS and NVC. So $60 in total after trading 21,000 shares. So ridiculous. Um, Overtraded, and I felt straight away that something wasn't right because every time I was to be in profit, I had to average down. So every entry I was making on 100 shares was wrong. So I was pushing the luck by averaging down, and I was lucky up until the point. I think I was 190 something dollars up. I was good, and then things started to go down from there. Let's see what I've got here. I think I'm gonna show you just the one that when it actually did go wrong and I kind of lost most of my profits. Let me just put it here. So 192 up, only 5,200 shares. So I was quite good when the market was actually going up. So initially on JCS and shifts, whatever that you want to call it, but NNVC, I think I was trading quite a bit. Yeah, 7,000 later, 7,000 shares. Let me just see if you can definitely see everything. I think you can, yeah. Okay. Yeah, because NVC I traded no, but yeah, 7,000 shares minus 21. But it's been worse at some points. So let's just have a quick look what I've done here. If I go to full screen. So already at 12:01 break, I'm wanting to go in, right? When on a break, I put a stop limit on JCS when it breaks $12. So 12:02 is my entry. Let's see. So straight away it sells off. So let's have a quick look again. 1182. I thought of entering earlier, didn't. My entry is there. Lots of red. Look at this. And drops down straight away. Already $30 down. So I enter again because I thought it will bounce because it very often does from like 1190 or something, but it sells down even further. Averaging down again for the bounce of that would be 9 moving average. 100 over $100 down. Um, bad practice, right? So it was just a matter of time until I had to pay for it. So over $220 down. So that's what averaging does to you. So um, averaging down. So at which point am I gonna close it? So there was an opportunity to close on a tiny bounce, right? So to reduce my loss, but I thought no, it has to go into I have to be break even or make some money on it, right? I'm with 300 shares. I'm not gonna sell this. So what happens? Yeah, closing for $200 loss. So being up 192, now I'm minus 10. So that's what happens with averaging down, especially in a weak market. The spreads on this, it's okay actually because it's not yet open, but I thought the spreads were worse. Let's just have a look. 1097, 1104. It was an ideal 250,000. It's not 11. I'm just checking what the spreads were on it. But on everything, it did seem that it wasn't like super thickly traded, like we got used to in the last year, I would say. So yeah, spreads on this 90 to 97. It's already there. There's increased risk because the liquidity is not exactly there, or the spread is not tight enough to exit with 5% loss. Right, straight away, I'm putting myself into 7-cent loss, and for my scalps of 10 cents, this is like too big of a risk, really. So it was just a matter of time for me to lose it. So I should have been happy with almost 200 $190 being up. So but I wanted more, and that's what happens, especially that it was kind of, I didn't want to go higher. So only that loss. Just see if there's anything else that's so. And then yeah, on this NNVC, I was never able to make proper profits today. So it's really nothing interesting. So I wanted to point out that averaging down really pays. So overall, at the end, I took a few scalps, but then I stopped because I didn't want to risk anymore. So I kind of actually reduced my my what is it, negative whatever, my losses. I reduced my losses by a bit because I think that was far worse than this. So I was able to recover some, but finished with 21,000 shares traded. So let me just show you my where's that thing. Just bear with me. Trading diary. Thought I have the spreadsheet open. So I just lost all the profits from almost all the profits from yesterday, but I think there was one trade when something went wrong and I actually closed it for profit. So overall it would be okay. My camera is down, so I'm not gonna change the batteries now. I'm just gonna finish it. So you can see the screen, I bet. So let me just switch off the camera. I just put this there. So it's not a huge loss, but lately, last 2 weeks have been like up and down, and basically nothing made. So if I count from last week, 1802, so that's been a long time now. So I made $141. So it's like basically nothing. So the good times for me kind of are over at the moment. So I wonder what the market will come back, but it's a very good experience to have this these slow days in the market when I have to kind of learn to be patient and just wait for the opportunities to come to me, because I know how the hot market looks like, and I don't know what I'm doing now. I'm just trying to scalp these silly days. It's just very difficult to sit at the computer and not do anything. So I'm staying positive. I'm pretty sure, you know, it's always the times when the market is going down and when it's slow or going sideways, and there are days and times when the market goes up. And I think I just have to be more patient and wait for those better days to come. So yeah, I'm gonna end with this, and I'll be back at it tomorrow. Let's see, maybe tomorrow will be a bit better. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll be back tomorrow. Bye bye.